Well, we're at work. Good morning, guys. I figured I'd do a video to show you a day in the life of me. So I can't obviously take you guys inside with me, but it's 5 o'clock in the morning. My shift doesn't start till 6:30, so I'm gonna go in the gym, which is what I do every morning. I lift weights for a good hour and 15 minutes, and then my shift starts. I lift weights again at lunch, and then I'm done at 3 o'clock. So we'll see you guys in 10 hours. Hopefully you don't get too cold out here. All right, done with one job, on to the next. Headed over to Rudy's. We'll see you guys there. Hey guys, we're at Rudy's shop and we are going to tear into a Cub magneto. He's got a series of Cub magnetos he wants me to do. So we've got a J4 made by International that we're going to do. So I'm not going to show any of the teardown process or any of that, but I'll just kind of show you the finished product, I guess, because really that's all that matters. The finished product and the fact that it works like new. So yeah, let's get at it. Alright guys, we got the J4 magneto all finished up. I figured I'd show you kind of what they come in looking like. This is a pretty typical used mag or core that we get in, and then this is usually what they look like when we're all done. So that's gonna be it for me for the day. It's time to get in the truck and head home. Alright guys, that about does it for me. That's a day in the life of Kenny. So I hope you guys enjoyed. There wasn't much dialogue and there was definitely no wrenching, but that's my day to day. It's a little after 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm gonna get inside and get some food, and yeah, tomorrow we do it all over again. Check you guys later. Thanks for watching.